I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Assess Chapter 2 Cumulative International Foodies. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Assess, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python and more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can directly come in my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will give you very reasonable price. I will show first my grades. I will do for your assignments and you will see my grades, then we will deal for this course. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintab, MC Grail, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25 Assess Chapter 2 Cumulative International Foodies. Now you can see this is the title of assignment, then here is the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now I am going to move next question is question number 1. The question number 1 of this. Now I am going to do first question of this assignment. You can see here is the project description. I have highlighted the title of assignment because you will read this easily in my video. The question number 1 of this assignment is that start assess, open the download assess file name XP25 Assess Chapter 2 Cumulative Foodies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to this location where you are storing your file. Basically in this question we will have to download file easily from Cengage website. Pearson website. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Now I am opening my assess file. You can see file name is showing the beginning of file. Now I am going to start next question. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. The question number 2 is that the question number 2 is here. It has 11 points. Focus on my PC screen. You will examine the data in the downloaded Excel worksheet to determine which fields will become the primary keys in each table and which field will become for foreign keys so that you can join term in the database. The main point is here. Open the supplier XLS worksheet. Open the supplier XLS Excel worksheet. Examine the data and close the worksheet. Open the product XLS Excel workbook. Examine the data and close the workbook. You will import the Excel workbook that contains supplier and product information into the database. Now the main point of this question is here. Click the external data tab. We will go to our assess file. Click on external data tab. In the imports and link group, we will click new data source, point to form file in the support and link group and then select Excel. We will go to sports and link group, import and link group. We will click on new data source button. Then we will click on from file button and then we will click on Excel file. Click on Excel button. We will browse our file. Navigate to and the select supplier XLS workbook to import it as a new table in the current database. We will select supplier XLS workbook, click on browse button, go to our download folder and you can select the file where you saved in your PC. I have saved in here. Go to assess. 1 second. Here is supplier file. I have select this file, then we will click on open button. The next point of this question is that select first row contains column heading. Select first row contain column heading. Then click on OK button. Click on this checkbox. First row contains column heading and then we will click on next. Set the supplier ID field index open to yes, no, duplicate. Okay, set the supplier ID, click on next button, and then we will select yes, no duplicate. The next point is that supplier ID as the primary key when promoted and accept the table name supplier. We will set supplier ID as the primary key. We will click on next button, and then we will choose my own primary key checkbox. The next point is that do not save the import steps. This question is done now. You can see, click on next button and then finish it. Do not save, close the step. Close it. Okay, question is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 3. Import the products XLS workbook. Set the product ID index option to yes, no duplicate, and select product as the primary key. Accept the table name products. Okay, now we will import the products XLS workbook. Then we will set the product index option to yes, no duplicate, select product add primary key. Now we will move on access file. We will click on external data type. In the import and links group, we will click on new data source button from file from Excel workbook. We will click on browse button, and then we will go to our folder where we save our file is products XLS workbook. We will click on this file and then click on open button, and then yes, no duplicate, and select product ID as primary key. Set the product index option. Click on next button, click on again next button, and then yes, no duplicate, and then select product as the primary key. We will click on next button, choose my own primary key checkbox. Click on here, and then accept the table name product. We will accept the table name product. Click on next button and then click on finish, then close it. Okay, I have done this question so well. Now I am going to do next question is question number 4 of this assignment. The question number 4 is that question 4 has 3 points. You can see, change the field size of quantity per unit field to 25 in design view of the product table. Set the field size of product ID and category ID to long integer. Save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Open the supplier table in datasheet view to examine the table. Close the tables. Basically, in this question, we will change the field size of quantity per unit field to 25 in design view. This is the first point of this question. Now I am going to do first part of this question right now. Quantity per unit, we will open this table, product table, and then we will open in design view. Right click on this product table and click on design view button. Its table will be open in design view. Then we will set the size of then we will change the field size of quantity per unit field to 25 in design view. Okay, field size is 25 for quantity per unit. We will click on quantity per unit field, and then we will go to the field size, and then we will set 25 field size of this quantity per unit field. Okay, 25 field size is 25. Okay, the next point is the next point of this question is that set the field size of product ID and category ID to long integer. We will set the field size of product and category ID to long integer. We will click on product ID, go to the field size, right click on this arrow and then select long integer. Then we will select the category ID, and then we will set field size to long integer. We will click on category ID field. We will go to the field size checkbox, and then we will select long integer field size for this category. Okay, the next point of this question, I have done this point. Next point is that save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Okay, save the change and open the table in datasheet view. We will right click on this table, save, and then click on yes button. Now we will open this table in datasheet view, and then next point. Right click on this, click on datasheet view. Now open the supplier table in datasheet view to examine the data. Close the table. Okay. Now I am going to do next question. This question is mostly done now. It's open, and then supplier table we will open in datasheet view. Then we will close the table. Right click on this and then close this table. You can see I have done this question so well. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Next question of this assignment is question number 5. I have done 4 questions right now. Question number 5 is here. It says 10 points. Okay. You will create a new table with enable international foodies to associate each product with the food categories in the database. Create a new table in design view. This is the first point. Add the following field in design view and set the properties as specified. First point is that create a new table in design view. We will go to our assess file, click on create button in the tables group. We will click on table design button. Okay, table will be created in design view. Okay, add the primary key field as category ID with the number data type. We will have to add a field is here category ID. The data type is number. Okay, we will select this category ID as a primary key. Go to the table design tab in the tools group. Click on primary key button, and then type number assigned to a new category as the description. We will click on description checkbox and then we'll copy and paste here number assigned to a new category. This is the description of category ID field. Now set the caption property to category ID. We will set caption property of category ID field to category ID. We will click on category ID field and go to the caption property box and then we'll type category ID. And then save the table as categories. We will copy this name, okay, and then we will save our table as categories name. Right click on this table and save this name. We will type this table name box categories and then click on OK button. This table will be saved as categories name. Okay, category name assigned for this table. Now I am going to next point of this question. The next point of this question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. Add a category name with the short text data type. This is the first point. Type and name of food categories as the description. Change the field size to 15. Set the caption properties to category name and the required property to yes. It had 9 points. The first point of this question is add a category name with the short text data type. We will have to add a new field. The new field name is category name. We will add a second field is category name and the data type is short text is also set a short text. And then change the field size to 15. Text type name of food category as the description. We will type on the description box name of food categories. Then we will change the field size to 15 of this categories name field. We will click on category name field and then go to the field size and then we will change this field size to 15. Now set the caption properties to categories name. We will copy this and then we will go to our category name field, go to the caption property box. We will type caption property box and categories name. The next point of this question is the next point of this question is and the required property to yes. and the required property to yes. Click on this field and then go to the required property, and then we will right click on this arrow and then we will select yes. You can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment so far. Total question of this assignment is 14. I have done 50% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will provide you A+ grade in all course, in all assignments, in all exam, midterm exam, and final exam. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course. I will do your all simulation trainings, all simulation exam, all assignments, and midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.